Hey everyone, in this video today we're going to be going over the installation for the Gentent Portable Generator Folding Handles Kit. These handles are great for replacing the existing fixed handles that may come on your generator, or if you just rather replace and have a nice set of handles on your portable generator. Each folding handle set will come with the instructions. You'll also have two steel folding handles with rubber grips. And you will also have the hardware as well, which is 2 carriage bolts, 2 nuts, and then 4 washers. The Gentent folding handles can accommodate both square and round tubular framing from 1 to 1.5 inches. Folding handles will require a vertical frame post. If there is no bolt hole already on the frame, you will need to use a 5/16 drill bit to make a new through hole. First step is to remove any existing folding handles or fixed handles that are on your portable generator. These folding handles will fit thousands of different generator models, so placement may vary from generator to generator. Key things to keep in mind when putting the handles on your frame is there is enough clearance for the handles to lift up, but that they're also parallel with each other. Line the open hinge flange of the handle up with your bolt hole. Larger 1.5 inch frames may require pressure to get the flange over the vertical frame. The flange can be bent slightly out or inward to accommodate different size frames. Align the 2 nylon washers on the interior of the hinge flange. You may need to slide the bolt through to hold the washers in place. Once your carriage bolt is through, you're going to take your nylon lock nut on the open end of your carriage bolt, place it on there, and then tighten down with your socket wrench. Do not over tighten. Handle should move freely up and down after tightening. Repeat the same steps for handle installation on the opposite leg.